Yes guys, welcome back to our channel, and today's vlog is we're going to unboxing this 3-in-1 air humidifier. So ayan, tara guys, samahan ninyo ako at i-unboxing natin to. Open natin siya. So, it's like this. Anyway guys, in order ko yesterday from Amazon. So, ayan. So, ito siya guys. Naka-safe siya. So, I don't know. Yeah. Ano yan? Mahirapan ako. Ito yung ano niya guys, ang kapal. Anyway, iba't ibang klase ng ano, ng so ayan, you can open this one like this and like this. Careful, kasi balik ko. And this is it. And this is it. Okay. And this is the water tank. So, lalagyan natin siya. And then, also, dito natin lalagay yung kanyang, ano ba ito? I don't know yet how to open this. Lalagyan ng, dito yung aromatic niya, guys. But, I don't know, this one, I open it. This one, lalagay natin dito yung essential oil. So, ayan. I'm gonna put the essential oil here. Yung essential oil na gagamitin natin. Ayan. So, we're going to put this one. This oil. Ayan. So, iba't ibang ano siya guys. So, we're going to try later and I will show you how to do it. Nakikita dun sa video. So, ayan. Nagpakita tayo and this is it. Itatry natin siya guys. I-on ko siya mamaya. And lalagyan din natin ito ng tubig. I'm gonna put water here guys. And then, ayun lang. Ganun lang siya kasimple guys. Ito nga pala yung kanyang cover. Ayan, ganda ng style niya. So, ilalagay natin mamaya how to do this. I think ganito siya, guys. Anyway, gumagamit na kami ng modifier, guys. But, ang lit kasi nung ano, so, I don't know how to put this one. I think I'm gonna put at the top. Oh! May dalawa siyang cover, guys. If you want to use this one, you can use it. Pero, mas gusto kong gamitin yung ayan. Ano siya? Mas maganda. So, we're gonna put this one like this. This. I don't know now how to do. Yeah, it's like that. Kailangan natin dandahan. Pero, it's a good quality, guys. So, I don't know how. We follow the. Like this. I get it. And we're gonna put a cover here. Like that. Diba ang bongga niya? Mas maganda kaysa yung sa puti. So, this is it. And papaganayin na natin siya, guys. I-share natin mamaya. Ayan. And I think it's touch screen siya, guys. Ita touch screen. We need to switch like this. Ayan. So, I think guys, mas bet ko this one kaysa dito. So, ang gagamitin ko is this one. Look the color, yeah? So, we're gonna put the water. Okay. So now guys, we're going to put the water. I-test lang natin. Ayan. And that's it. We're gonna put the essential oil. Ayan, namimili tayo kung anong flavor. And I think is gamitin natin yung lavender. So, ayan. We're going to put here. Ikaw na bahala guys kung gaano karami yung gusto mong ilagay. And, lalagay natin dito. That's it. And then, sasarado natin this one. At wait a moment, sasaksak natin saksakan. So, ayan na siya. So, 59 minutes. So, 1 hour siyang mag-on. Ayan. So, anyways, kung nakikita nyo, may ilaw din siya and nagpapalit-palit yung kanyang ilaw. Ayan. So, ayan. So, this is it. Ayan guys, nilagay natin siya dyan. And, eto na siya guys. Nice one. So, yun lamang po guys. Thanks for watching. Ganun ba yun?